How to create your own meme coin on the SUI network in minutes. Wanna create your own meme coin on a fast, scalable blockchain? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create your own meme coin on the SUI network in just a few minutes. So whether you're launching for fun or as a potential investment, we'll guide you through the steps to get your meme coin up and running on one of the most innovative blockchains. Let's jump in. Set up a SUI wallet. So first of all, visit the official SUI wallet website and create your wallet. And once created, make sure to back up your private key and seed phrase securely. After setting up your wallet, connect it to a SUI compatible app like SUI Explorer or SUI Wallet. Ensure your wallet is connected properly by checking the network settings. Now visit a meme coin creation platform on the SUI network. Many platforms have simplified the process of creating coins. One popular example is the SUI Move framework. You can also check for third-party websites or decentralized apps that support meme coin creation on SUI. On the platform, you'll be asked to define your token's parameters. This typically includes token name, symbol, initial supply, and decimals. So fill out these fields and double check them to make sure everything is correct. Then deploy the token on the SUI network. So once you've configured your token, the platform will generate the move code to deploy your meme coin. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, paying the small gas fee required for deploying the token on the SUI network, and after submitting the transaction, your meme coin will be live on the SUI blockchain. Verify your meme coin. So you can check your meme coin status by using the SUI Explorer to track your token's creation and verify its details. Once your meme coin is live, you can distribute it to others or even list it on decentralized exchanges for trading. If you're launching a meme campaign, make sure to promote your coin across social media platforms to gain attention and create a community. And there you have it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more crypto and blockchain tips. Thanks for watching.